Hello, I'm Kyle. Welcome to Pen Talk. Today we are going to launch a new project that is charcoal drawing tutorial. I will show you how to use charcoal stick to draw a still life step by step. To be honest, I'm not sure I want to do it or not because a drawing tutorial is too difficult for elementary level English. I'll probably stop many times to think which word I need to use while I'm drawing. I'm pretty sure there will be tons of language mistakes in the video. Hopefully it won't obstruct you are watching. And I only use smartphone to record it, so there could be a lot of noise in the video. I hope you don't mind. So let's get started.
This video is sponsored by My Brain Cell.
The tools I might use today are here, and I hope I can introduce my tools in a future video. So let's move this. The paper I use is MBM charcoal drawing paper. I will use this side with stripes texture. So first thing you want to do is use mark tape to tape it on the panel. Today I'm going to use this picture as a reference. First step of charcoal drawing is contour. The first thing in contour is guideline. Just draw an oval shape or a round shape. I will grade this part of the charcoal stick and draw very gentle. You need to draw gently because this paper is not easy to erase. You only draw an oval shape or a round shape. No need to be accurate. Most beginners will make this mistake. They try to draw the accurate outline directly. This step is just make a plan. Decide what is the size and position you want to draw in this picture. So no need to draw very accurate. We don't go to the detail too quickly. It's a plan. Like build a house, you don't want to build your house in a wrong place. If you are an intermediate, you can draw the shape slightly look like the object. Take this bottle as an example. If you are a beginner, you can draw an oval shape. If you are an intermediate, you can draw the shape slightly look like the bottle. It's okay if the shape is wrong. We will measure its proportion later. This is just a guideline. After finishing the guideline, You want to check the space on both sides are equal. The object on your right hand side from its right edge to mark tape is equal to the object on your left hand side from its left edge to mark tape. This can make sure all objects can evenly located on the picture. Because many beginners will make this mistake, they draw all the objects in a small area and leave other space empty. It will break the balance of this picture, could cause the composition not good. So after finish the guideline, you want to make sure two spaces are slightly equal. The lowest object from its bottom to the edge at least leave 2 index finger knuckles in 4K size picture. If you draw the lowest object too close to the edge, it will let the audience feel this object is going to drop from the table. Also will make the composition not good. So these are the first part of contour. Draw an oval shape or a round shape to decide the size and position. Check the two spaces on both sides. Check the lowest object from its bottom to edge at least leave 2 index finger knuckles in 4K picture. Make sure all objects located in the picture evenly. That's all. Good luck. See you next video.